My name is Penina Kirea from Avenue Healthcare. I'm the Chief Nursing Officer. Attrition rate for nursing is a worrying thing right now across the globe. It's not just a problem for Kenya, whereby we are seeing nurses not wanting to remain in their countries, and this is a problem for especially within the hospitals and countries that are within Africa and the sub-Saharan Africa. The reason being nurses feel that they are not well appreciated, and especially when it comes to remuneration. So they are moving to the Western countries, to the US, to the UK, where they are able to get more money, because nurses are very highly qualified in this country, but rarely do they get that job satisfaction, because apart from now getting your satisfaction by taking care of patients, then you also need to survive and to live a happy life and a quality life. You cannot live quality life without something in your pocket. Currently, what is happening, of course, the young, vibrant nurses are just looking to complete school, and within 2 years after internship of 1 year, they are looking to move to Western countries, to the UK, US. So at the moment, we are averaging about 12% of almost, on average, almost all the hospitals within. So every year we are seeing a massive movement of nurses. So that really is questionable, because when it comes to the quality of care that we are offering to our patients, we all know that apart from qualification of nurses, then we also expect that, over time, your profession also needs, the experience also determines the kind of care that you're going to give to patients. So when we look at the high attrition rate that we are having, and of course in this field of medicine, quality care comes with that experience. So we are left with very low experienced nurses. So that is a major challenge for us right now.